think the best thing that we can do, not just to uplift the morality of the gay society, but also the people around us, is to definitely be an epitome of that certain change that we want to happen in life. So, like the SOG or like the LGBT community that we have been pushing, or this right that we have been asking the government to push, well, the morality is actually the one which is in question. Why is it not being pushed? It is because merong mga taong parte ng ating komunidad, parte ng LGBTQ mismo, na humuhugot sa atin pababa. And what is the main thing that we should be doing and uplift the morality of the gay society or the LGBTQ community is to definitely be that person inside you. I've been living in this life for 28 years now, and I think the best thing that I've done is to become an epitome of change. The change that I want to happen is something that I'm doing in myself. Because it will never make sense if you're going to push for something that you want to happen in the community, in the country, or in the world if you yourself are not doing it by yourself. Being a member of the LGBTQ community, we are being neglected. Kinukutsa, binabastos, kung ano-ano pang pambabastos ang ginagawa sa halip na dapat tayo ay nasa taas. Naitanong ba natin sa ating sarili kung bakit? Well, for one, it is because we are being neglectful of the things that we should be doing. And the answer to that is what we call perception management. When you say perception management, as a leader in the BPO industry, you need to make sure that you possess that certain point of view, that you show the people that you are leading how to become one. It's like being a leader. Before you become a leader, you become a follower. So might as well, if you want to uplift a morale of a certain society, be the change that you want to happen to be. So ladies and gentlemen, it is not just the message that I want to give actually the LGBT community tonight, but this is the message that I want to all of you tonight. Acta non verba. And that is a Latin phrase which means deeds, not words. Because if we are just going to place our advocacies, the change that we want to happen in this age, not bringing it at your house, at your work, or at your home to be specific, you will not achieve what you want to